replace, component, replace a component, report, malfunction, report a malfunction, consult, manual, consult the manual, dispatch, technician, dispatch a technician. Question 1. The machine stopped working, so we had to call a specialist to replace a faulty electronic A. component, B. malfunction, C. manual, D. technician. The answer is A. component. Question 2. If you notice any problems with the printer, please report the A. component, B. malfunction, C. manual, D. technician to the IT department immediately. The answer is B. malfunction. Question 3. Before attempting to assemble the new equipment, you should first consult the instruction A. component, B. malfunction, C. manual, D. technician. The answer is C. manual. Question 4. As soon as the issue was reported, the company promised to dispatch A. a component, B. a malfunction, C. a manual, D. a technician within 24 hours. The answer is D. a technician. Replace. The mechanic will replace the broken part with a new one. Substitute. In this recipe, you can substitute margarine for butter.